Dennis Brown was more than just a singer. He was the crown prince of reggae, a voice that carried the soul of Jamaica to the world. Starting in 1970s Kingston, his melodies rose from the vibrant streets, capturing hearts through spinning vinyl and the raw energy of the people's music. A prolific legend born in 1957, he graced massive stages worldwide, becoming a beacon of light and a global influence for generations to come. But the weight of the crown grew heavy. By the late 90s, cold shadows of illness began to dim his once brilliant and tireless spirit. On July 1st, 1999, the world lost a giant to respiratory failure. At just 42 years old, the prince's heart finally found its rest. Grief washed over Kingston as fans held vigils. Though he was gone too soon, his rhythm remained, living on in every artist he inspired. Legends never truly die. They echo through the ages. Dennis Brown remains a timeless rhythm of love, liberation, and the eternal spirit of reggae.